put your hand on it.
I'll do better. I'll go with no hands. How's that?
Okay, let's see. Let's see you do it.
No, I don't wanna see his head cracked open. Can I do anything to help?
Yeah.
You want me to hold it seriously? I'll call.
No, I didn't ask you to hold it.
What do you want me to do?
You just talk.
Oh,
You
I
make fun of me.
I do that well. I'm a pro at talking.
Yeah.
I thought maybe you would want to try it, but you're filming it. You wanted to use the talk,
May not
so
do that audio.
otherwise you didn't need to use the talk. Maybe you can't concentrate.
He does have trouble with that.
You're gonna make it in a minute and a half?
Well, they did in a minute.
Probably need a little bit of an air hole. I think you should
I think
shut
your
it up
mother's
tight.
right, an air hole.
A lot of help over here, Ron.
What's that?
You get a lot of help over here.
It's like.
See?
See, you need
You
the
need
air
an
hole.
air hole.
Step one.
Come on, if Joey Chitwood can eat 70 hot dogs in 10 minutes, you should be able to do that in seconds.
Can't see now. My screen disappeared.
Can't wait to see step 2, this is riveting.
You didn't hear about the guys in the hot dog contest on the 4th of July?
No.
No?
This is a true thing or a joke?
True. They have a contest every year.
Yeah, that I know.
Yeah.
It's Nathan's Hot Dogs.
Okay.
And the guy that set the record is 77 hot dogs in 10 minutes. He only got 70 down this year.
Oh,
But
He was-
he couldn't do it last year.
He was, I know that.
Yeah.
He was gonna break his record
aw, too bad.
because he had signed sponsorship from another hot dog manufacturer. So Nathan's wouldn't let him participate.
Yeah.
If he wasn't gonna promote their hot dogs, they said, no, you're not coming.
So,
They have it in French or
he
something.
was out of shape, he needs.
They get out of
Next
shape
year.
for eating hot dogs, huh?
Some woman usually wins around 45 or 50.
That just sounds nauseating. You just
Oh,
need
it
to
does.
eat them.
Hot dog in a bun.
Oh, the bun too?
Bun too?
Usually they wet those down?
In water though, right? Which
That would be even worse.
yeah.
I don't know why people want, there's some things that I don't understand why people would want to participate. That would be
Notoriety.
one. I love my food, but I wouldn't wanna be stuffing myself to the point of nauseous. And when you're eating it that fast, it's not that good.
There is a professional eaters tour. People compete to do that regularly. There's a bar in northern Wisconsin. I had a couple of guys that worked for me while I was working in Madison. The bar up there has a contest. You call, make a reservation, because then they'll fill the place with spectators. A 36-inch pizza, it's probably yay big. Just a pepperoni pizza. You eat that in a half hour, it's free. If you don't, it's $50. Well, they get 85 or 100 other drunks in there watching and cheering.
They're making money off you.
So the two guys that I work with were stretching the stomach. They sit down and drink a gallon of milk and go off from there. It stretches the stomach and all kinds of crazy stuff. So they went up there, a bunch of guys from the factory went up there to watch them, cheer them on. And they couldn't pat any grease off the pizza, and it was pretty greasy. wedge of a 36-inch diameter pizza is pretty big.
That's a pizza
The guy that
problem.
worked for me ate two, his partner ate one and a half, had to go to the bathroom.
So, did anybody win? I mean, did anybody eat the whole
They've
thing?
been doing this forever, and they asked how many teams, there's two people, too many teams.
Okay.
How many teams have ever done this? It's just two.
Okay.
Going back maybe 20, 30 years.
Yeah, that at least would be enough to nauseate you. Plus the amount of pizza. And how many years did you say?
Well, 20, 30 years, only four people did it. Two teams.
And I mean, what do you get for it?
Well, free pizza.
Oh, yeah.
That is fast and,
They probably have a wall of fame.
yeah, maybe it's on a wall.
Name of the
For
flag.
what?
What did you use?
Go for the 4-pound roast or something, 4 or 5 pound roast in at a certain time with a baked potato. I mean, that'd be the way that they do a meal.
It was on their wall of fame.
It sounds like something they can do.
I still think you need an air hole.
I tend to agree.
Yeah, I got a pistol in the house. I can put some holes in it for you.
Here, I found the written instructions here. How am I doing?
You gotta let some air out.
Here, you can read the.
You leave all
You can direct me here with the instructions.
No,
You don't-
I'm not good.
all the rods that stay in it.
Yeah. They twist around kind of like those things
Do
in
you
your
really
car.
want somebody to read you the directions, or are you teasing? I truly think you need an arrow. Yeah, somewhere.
It's not letting any air in or out.
Yeah.
If you get good, you get rain in.
Here, I take a break.